Wow, skyscrapers watching over this huge space of AFIMOLL. Check it out. Wow, Gucci Empire State Building. This is the country which is the most sanctioned in the world. And here we are. What's up, guys? This is Igor, Russia, and I'm in Moscow, and actually in Moscow City, the place where lots of amazing skyscrapers are located. So check it out. This is AFIMOLL shopping mall right here in the center of Moscow City. Let's go check it out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I make videos about daily life in Russia. Let's go. I just had a little glimpse inside, and it was awesome. Here and check it out. Wow, skyscrapers watching over this huge space of AFIMOLL. Let's check out a few places in this shopping mall. We're not gonna go through all shops. Fourth floor is food court, beer grill, Zane's. Then we have this Il Patio. It used to be also, and I know it's been in Latvia as well. But let's go check it out, this awesome shopping mall. You don't see any difference compared to what used to be before sanctions and time after sanctions or during sanctions. This is the country which is the most sanctioned in the world. And here we are. Street beats over here. This Armani exchange. Lots of, by the way, Arabic people here. And this continues, by the way, from the city, from the central area, all the way up to there. It continues on the left. We're not going to go into there because we want to check out the central area. Yeah, it continues on downstairs as well. It's a huge one. A lot of brands I've never heard of, but we're in a region where it's definitely expensive. So I'm sure most of these places are for rich people, and in Moscow it's one of the richest cities in the world, so you know there's plenty of rich people inside. And more skyscrapers up there, check it out. Wow. So this is AFIMOLL, a place in Moscow City. Place of Moscow City with skyscrapers watching over the amazing mall. Wow, and this continues in different directions from the central square. So yeah, guys, let's go and check it out. So we have a small tour inside the AFIMOLL. Zenny's underwear. Then there's Level Chef. So what you guys think? Is this a cool place or what? Is this a cool place? Rated from 0 to 10. Put it down in the comment section. My God. Toilet spots. So yeah, these long halls continue in different directions. So we just took one of them at Tual. This is cosmetic store, another cosmetic store, Chanel, Dior. Like I said, we're not able to go this whole place through. It's gonna take much more time. And I try to have sometimes a vacation feeling. And yes, did you notice that I have a St. Petersburg cap on, sky. It's a statement. You can see and you can almost see that this place is full of money. It's Moscow in general. And here is a Stars Coffee, by the way. It's an old Starbucks, which is now owned by a Russian Timothy rapper. And yes, there are tourists here as well. Lots of Chinese people and lots of Arabic people. And then there's me. Also a foreigner, showing the real Russia to the world. Something that my wife said, that saying that Moscow people are dressing up really nicely. Put your feet here and rest. А сколько стоит такая?
50 800. Сейчас идут акции, скидка 5%, что бывает очень редко.
А если просто, то есть не себе домой покупать, а тут можно помассировать, нет?
Это не массажный салон, вы можете попробовать бесплатно. Но это уже с продаж. Хотите, протестируйте.
Жена должна потестировать. 52 тысячи, говорите?
52 700, и сейчас скидка 5% на покупку. Получается ровно 50.
50,
это ШАС, очень известный наш. Они стоят в санаториях, в больницах Москвы. Люди, которые там проходят курс, выходят на нашу фирму, потом приобретают.
Хороший марок так.
Можно протестировать.
Спрошу сейчас. Спасибо. That costs 50,000. That's 500 euros. Right, we can continue, and this continues to the other entrance in another little square. Let's go through here. Yeah, she said that's used in some Russian hospitals, not spas, I think. She said spas, maybe. No matter. So these are entrances which are covered. Check it out. And yeah, there's the skyscrapers on top. By the way, this place is huge, absolutely huge, because this continues forwards in every direction, up and forward, back. You know, huge shopping mall. AFIMOLL? And goes down even. So there's like 5 stories. There's an entrance to somewhere else. This is Metallica cover, by the way. Wow. Gucci Empire State Building, oh my god. Tag Heuer, really nice products, man. Let's go through here. Beauty salon or barber shop, maybe. Poison drop. And Indian people as well. And that's I've seen also. There's quite a few Indian people in St. Petersburg as well. There's an IM studio in Moscow. You know, this is Moscow. Is like a Russian also. I think it's like St. Petersburg is the culture center, and at the same time, I think Moscow is like a fashion center. All right, guys. This was AFIMOLL in the Moscow city, business center of Moscow. What do you guys think? I hope you liked the video and my reality, showing you reality in Russia, Moscow. Please subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think about this place. Would you shop here, and can you afford to shop here? So see you guys in the next video. This is Egon Russia. Bye bye. By the way, time is like 2 o'clock, so this is early.